For a how-to video, what we're going to do is we are going to create a step-by-step set of instructions for an individual to learn how to do something. And in this example, we are going to create a step-by-step instructions to use the equation editor. With that, we need a set of pictures and a set of directions in text form that I can read and demonstrate through the picture to show people how to do something. And we are going to make a math problem. So in Google Classroom, you were assigned a math problem. And in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on math problem 1. So let me show you the first way to capture a screen. I'm going to go ahead and use the snipping tool just so you guys can see that. Now the snipping tool is part of the computer, not Google. So you got to go down here to your start button. And I'm going to go ahead and look for my snipping tool. If you do not have the snipping tool, you actually type snipping, S-N-I-P, and it will come up. In the snipping tool, it's an easy, simple program. Again, it's on the computer, and I just make sure I'm new. Some students get a little, like they'll do window snip that will capture the window, full screen snip, rectangle, or free. Free form snip is a little bit more difficult because you can actually draw, an area. Let me just show you real quick. So if I go over here, see I have the little scissors, I can draw an area, and then that gives me the snip. If I don't want that, I'm going to go new, and I'm just going to do rectangle. I personally like the rectangle. Now notice everything behind here is grayed out. Don't panic. So if I was assigned, let's say number 4. Let's say I was assigned number 4. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag a box around number 4. And now I have a picture of it. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Again, this program is on the computer. So I'm going to make sure I come out here, just go to pictures, and let me see if I can find a computer applications folder. Nope, but I'll just call it Snip 1. And it's a JPEG file, so it's a picture. I'm going to hit save. I might use my snipping tool later, so I'm just going to minimize it. And just notice it goes down on the toolbar. You can't see that, but if I click on it, it comes back up. You click new, and you can do a new picture. Save it. Now sometimes when we copy and paste it in, it doesn't quite work. But let's look at the other tools. You have a highlighter, so you can highlight. You also have an eraser, so you can erase things. You have a pencil, red, blue, you customize it, so you have a black pen, and then you can draw an arrow. Not as sweet as Google Drawing, but it gets the job done. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on over here to Word. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a step-by-step program. So I'm going to type in how to equation editor. And just hit enter a couple times. Now I've already saved it up here. I've got Google Docs open. That was lesson 1. Everybody should know how to do that. Now what I like to do is I like to put everything in a table. Now you can add more rows as needed, so I'll just start off with 5. And what I like to do is put pictures on one side, directions on the other side. So I'm going to go step 1. Find, let's put problem. And so my problem's going to go, the picture of it's going to go right in here. Now remember, I saved it on my computer, so I have to click on Insert Image, and I'm going to upload it from my computer. And I'm going to go to Pictures, and I believe I put it right out here, Snip 1, hit Open. It's going to upload it now to Google, and it throws it right in there. So now I'm good.